It's 2015 Jaguar XJ R Sport. The biggest challenge, this kind of stuff. But no luck. So the fuel is going fine. Morning guys, today we have another car in the shop. It's 2015 Jaguar XJ R Sport. It came with collision damage, but for some reason the engine and transmission is out of the car and we don't have any bolts, any kind of that stuff, so that would be hard to put it back. We're gonna quickly show you the car right now. Okay, so this is the car that we got, a Jaguar 15 R Sport. As you can see, I don't see any frame damage, so look like the headlight and the fender are missing and the bumper, so most likely it was a minor damage on the right side. Suspension is all fine. So the biggest problem for us, the biggest challenge, is that this kind of stuff, it's not on the car. So engine and transmission and all the bolts are missing. The engine is right here with the transmission. No idea why they took it off, because the engine has no damage at all. It's a supercharged model of the car, of the engine. So as you can see, everything is out. So this would be kind of the challenging part for us, since we don't have any bolts and it's very hard to find those bolts. We have some parts on the back seat. This is some kind of minor parts like the foam, some brackets, some covers for the bumper, 10480, not sure what it is. Interior is very good, it's very nice. So as you can see, that airbags did not deploy at all. All airbags are fine. But I mean, why would insurance took the engine and transmission off the car? That's the main challenge question. So to install the engine, you need to remove the subframe and whole suspension stuff, and then install the engine on the subframe and then put it back together on the car. We thought that we could have done it like on top of it, but it would be much harder. So now we're gonna disassemble the subframe with the suspension and then install the engine on the subframe and then put it back together. Okay guys, so today's a new day. Dima installed the engine and transmission. He also installed all the suspension parts. He just did check the transmission oil and engine oil. It's all good. The oil is inside the engine and the transmission, so we don't have to fill this in. All the suspension is connected back together. It was kind of problem with the engine bolts, but we found some bolts that we had in stock and we just put it in, so it's all good. So now we're gonna hopefully start the car and see how it's running. Okay, it's the first time, guys, where we're trying to start the car. Let's see how it goes. Oh man, it's going. No. Cranking, but no luck. Let's check the fuel, if the fuel is going on the on the hoses. Because the problem with the fuse is that there is no like diagram on the cover, so we cannot see if some fuses are missing or not. We have to pull up the diagrams off of the website somewhere. Yeah, so the fuel line are completely dry inside, so it means that it's not pumping the fuel at all. So most likely insurance company just took the fuel pump fuse out. So the fuel is going fine. It's leaking. Just from this one. This one is dry. The jumper is dead, so we're gonna switch the jumpers and hopefully we'll start the car right now. Okay, so Dima found one fuse that was out on the trunk area. Right here. The one fuse was out. So he put it back and now it just won't start. It's kind of cranking the engine, but it won't start at all for some reason. But the fuel is working fine. So we're trying. Let's see. No. It has only 37,000 miles on it. No. Another try. It's gonna be probably like 5th times when we're trying to just jump the car. It's very loud. Very loud. Because it's missing all the exhaust, all the mufflers. So it kind of... Okay, so the car is almost done. We just put the engine, transmission, we tested, it's working fine with no problem. Now we're gonna kind of finalize the car, like put all the bolts together to make sure everything is in place, not loosen and all that stuff. So this car would be for sale as this. As you guys know, we're selling cars for project cars, exotic luxury cars. So this car is gonna be for sale as this. It has a very light damage, no frame damage at all. You just put the fender, the radiator stuff, bumper, headlight, and you're good to go. We're gonna detail this car in the next episode. We're gonna show you that, and yeah, just put it on the wheels and it's all done, guys. Please guys, like the video and subscribe. We are new to YouTube and we're trying to grow our channel, so please, if you like the video, if you're interested in our project cars, please like the video and let us know what other cars you want us to make and rebuild. Keep us posted. Thank you.